Ovim požrtvovnim radom uspjeli su se uzdići na zavidnu visinu u nepuna 4 mjeseca. Pozdravimo naše mališane iskrenim pljeskom i zaželimo im uspjeh u njihovom predivnom nastupu. Ensemble Skalinada.
I think on American continent and actually every place when I teach, and I teach around the world, from Japan, Taiwan, everywhere, American continent is probably the strongest of preserving Croatian culture. I would say is like I can say that they preserve more than people in the homeland. We are talking about second, third generation here, and I just hope that one day in 2-3 generations Croatia they're gonna have what we have here. In last 30 years, I really think that I did influence a little bit our Croatian people in United States and Canada. We are preserving on more clean way, traditional way than was before me. When I came here, my duty was this, and I just gave myself this duty that if you dance from Slavonia, has to be Slavonian costume. Hair has to be as a Slavonia. Međimurje, Podravina. And this is what I really put 30 years of my life to bring this on one really high amateur level. Everybody loves the homeland, everybody loves the tradition, culture and everything, and everybody thinks my village is the best one. But you know what, they really didn't have this guidance, to say, if you're doing something from different region or something, you should respect the culture of different region. And this is what I think we came now in last 20 years, especially like one absolutely level that it's amazing. You know what, when I had to stay here in the country, I started to think and I said, if I'm already here, I'm gonna really do what I love to do. I had the knowledge, I learned a lot as a professional state ensemble, as a soloist. I was studying ethnomusicology, and and I said this will be my life duty. And I'm doing still this today, and it's not so easy like it was 30 years ago, but you know what? Every time the curtain closed, when the last dance steps die on the dance floor, I just think, I did something good. Now look at me now.
been accomplished in the first year?
Look at me. When you were asking me this question, I started to smile. These kids make me smile. And as I said, you know what, and it's not easy to travel across the continent to be, you know, but as today at the workshop here in San Francisco, and these kids, what they show, it was just like, many Americans came to me and said, oh my God, these kids were wonderful. So I believe in them. I hope that one day, you know what, they're growing in last, I don't know, 12 months or something like that. They went from nothing to something that people already talk about. They went to Los Angeles, they went to Seattle, they did 12 performances in last, I don't know, when was it, a month or so. You know what, they're little ambassadors. And you know what I have to say, that they make me smile. I'm proud, they were great teachers, and the kids enjoy it. Yesterday, little example. After the practice, 2 hours later, Stanko and I were walking to the car and I saw kids practicing steps 2 hours later. And they're 14, 15, 16 years old. So we're doing something right because they love it.